Why are you viewers to be named later? How we doing today? Man, today's one is a strange one, okay? I bought this back in December of 2019. I went, there's no way. Then, after I was waiting for it to arrive, my first thought was, have beard products jumped the shark? Or, have they gone too mainstream? Guys, you're not going to want to miss this one. This one is very, very interesting. So let me roll that intro, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now we're just going to get one little bit of housekeeping out the way really, really early. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please go ahead and give me that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Alright, now as you saw in that intro, that's right, we're going to take a look at Viking Revolution's UFC beard kit. Can't make it up. Okay? Can't make it up. And I love how they put limited edition. Well, I guess that's true because, well, it's currently not on Amazon anymore where I found it, and it's not on VikingRevolution.com's website. Now, I appreciate the fact that Viking Revolution is reaching out and coming up with interesting partnerships. I don't know of any other company out there who has gotten, the rights to put major corporations on their stuff, unless you're coming from a major corporation. Then you're going to see Coca-Cola beard oil, Pepsi beard oil, Pennzoil beard oil, just stuff like that. But I was like, okay, UFC kit. And it came with what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh man, I even forgot one. Hold on a second. Alright guys, sorry about that. I honestly forgot one of the items upstairs. But okay, so before we get into everything and I show you all the fun stuff, so I thought when I opened that box, it'd be like a little foam insert and you just pull the items out. No, they went a step further. So you literally got an octagon-shaped tin on the inside with a big, huge breakdown of everything that's in there. So I know you're seeing the glare feedback off the camera, but if you want to hit pause, there you go. That's everything that it came with. Okay. Inside, you did get the neat little foam thing, with everything placed in there and all the other weird stuff. And the part that got me was that little beard lineup guide was right down below, so you had to pull everything out and get to it. Alright, so let's get to some of the fun, like I usually do. Now, if you're new to my channel, I try to give you as much background info on a company as I can without, blowing you up on it and overloading you. So here's a quick breakdown that I can give you. You can find Viking Revolution at www.vikingrevolution.com. Don't worry, I'll leave that down below in the description box as well. Okay, they do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee and free shipping on your order if it's over 25 bucks. Now, when I went to their web store, they really don't say where they're at, but under their contact info, they give a phone number, so I had to do an area code lookup on that, and it seems like they're based out of Florida. Now, I love how on one of their, our story or whatever, which is just little blurbs and little bullet points, they say what started out as a hobby between two friends quickly, turned into a phenomenon that has taken the men's grooming industry by storm. I got a problem with that, and that's just me, okay? The web store has a great variety of products. They have kits, they've got beard supplements, they've got combs, they've got beard brushes, they've got, wash, co-wash, different oils. That's cool. All right, it really truly is. They have a wide variety of products, and what I thought was really, really cool was they also have blogs to help you grooming and help you choose things and help you find stuff and help you do other, things. So I think that's cool that they're giving you info to help you go on your beard journey. When I first started getting ready to do beard grooming reviews, I did kind of what our, infamous trusted teacher did, and I bought some other products. And the first thing I always did was I went to Amazon and started looking because I didn't know any better at that point. And I bought a lot of Viking Revolution stuff. As we all know as beardsmen, the most important thing is feel in beard. I will tell you honestly, I didn't like their balms. I didn't like their oils. It didn't feel right in my beard for some reason. I love their washes and I love their co-wash. I still use 2 of them to this day. And yes, I know I need to shoot a review on that one, so please someone just come slap me when all this COVID crap is done. Okay, I am filming this review on April 7th, 2020. As of this point, this kit that I'm about to show you is not available. When I bought it in December of 2019, it was $24.88. You got free shipping as well because, you know, I'm Prime. But you're getting 7 items as a starter kit for 25 bucks. You really truly can't beat that. Okay? So let's start breaking all the fun stuff down. Now, one of the things I thought was really weird, and I get it, all right? One of the first things they did was give you a little shavette, and they gave you 10 of the little feather blades that, you know, can go in there. This one, you know, you just open it up. Sorry. You kind of get it separated. Yeah, I was thinking Offspring there for a moment. Get it separated. The little feather blades line up right there. Because there's no blade in there, I can do that. You close her up, and there you go. You have a neat way to trim up, your cheek lines. But it made me giggle going, you're giving a beard grooming kit and a shavette. That just made me laugh. And not to mention, hopefully you can see it, it is UFC tagged. So I thought, okay, great little, product placement there, and add space or whatever. And they even give you a little pamphlet on how to do all that. I'll be honest with you, I have never used it since I've got it. I have never used one. I have never really had a need to go grab one. I think Mo the Bearded Shark, or I think he's going by Dave the Barber now, Bearded Motivation. They have better videos on how to use those, so I'm going to say, hey, go to their YouTube channel, look it up. Yeah, I'm giving away, go to that channel and take a peek if you really want to learn how to use one of those. I thought it was interesting, the Viking Revolution and the UFC logo sitting right there. Here you go. For all you guys who have those little QC codes, there's the back of that as well. They packed a lot in here, seriously, they really truly did. They gave you a little boar's hair brush, which is, it's really, really soft. But I like the fact it's shaped like the octagon, and there you go, the UFC and the Viking Revolution stuff. That just made me giggle. I've used it, just points where I'm like, okay, just a little touch-up. Don't need the big brush, just a little touch-up. I've used it. Another thing they included, and yeah, I'll get to the good stuff here in a moment, is the double-sided comb. I really didn't like the tines on this side. They felt really aggressive going through my beard, and they snagged and pulled a lot. These bottom ones just seem to be kind of standard for most, combs that I've got, so no big deal there. And in case you're wondering, it's peachwood. It's a peachwood comb. And no, I'm not being Johnny Grooms and going trying to break it in front of you, because I know exactly who that's going to go to. But once again, UFC Viking Revolution tags, which I thought was kind of interesting. Okay. Now, like I said, I love their wash and their co-wash. And they gave you little 2-ounce samples. The part that I didn't get is their beard growth conditioner. Well, yeah, you're putting biotin in a topical agent. And by the way, I might want to pause that. There's all the ingredients for that guy, for the conditioner. And there's the ingredients for the shampoo. In case you're wondering, it's got a peppermint eucalyptus scent, which is stuff that I have upstairs currently from them, which smells incredible in my beard. It really cleans my beard. It's really not stripping. Their conditioner works great. It gives really good life in my beard when it's feeling kind of down for that day. I love this stuff, and to me, this is the hero of that whole kit. It really, truly is. And they give you a 1-ounce bottle of beard oil. And yes, I have, I have used it a bit. I really wanted to give it a fair shot and say, okay, maybe it's not like the other stuff I've gotten from them, but yeah, it kind of is. And I hate saying it like this because it sounds like I'm an arrogant bastard. If you're first starting on your beard journey, this is a great one to get you used to a beard regime and beard things, and you upgrade from there. You buy what you can afford and you move from there, which is another thing from my everyday carry life. I know there's a lot of people who go buy once, cry once, but if you're not sure about stuff, you kind of go down the spectrum,, you know, for the dollar wise, if that makes sense. But, you know, I know there's a lot of people who go buy once, cry once, but if you're not sure about stuff, you kind of go down the spectrum, you know, for the dollar wise, if that makes sense. But, you know, I know there's a lot of people who go buy once, cry once, but if you're not sure about stuff, you kind of go down the spectrum, you know, for the dollar wise, if that makes sense. But It really is. It got a golden tinge to it. I don't like their eyedropper bottoms, as you can see right there. It's a very wide bottom. So you don't really get a good control of, when it's coming out, if you use too much, too little. Yeah. So, where'd it go? Now, I love this. They go, it's perfect blend of 100% pure cold pressed, unrefined golden jojoba oil, 100% pure cold pressed, unrefined Moroccan oil, 100% pure cold pressed castor oil. No, it's going to be 100% unrefined cold pressed castor oil. So you've got 3 carrier oils. And by the way, the beard oil is totally unscented, and so is the beard balm. So I think that's why it doesn't work well for me. That blend doesn't really work well in my beard. I really don't like balm that much. I've never really been a big into it. Recently with some other companies, I'm starting to try to take a little bit of a different approach to it. Normally I'm an oil guy in the morning and butter at night, or maybe butter twice during the day. But yeah. So, wow, yeah, and that's the ingredients on the balm. Let's see if I can find it bigger on one of these other little areas. Yeah, okay. The balm says 100% all natural. Our balm is made of the highest quality argan oil, jojoba oil, mango butter, and beeswax. So you've got 2 carrier oils and basically a butter and a wax. No biggie. It worked. It kind of controlled the flyaways. Didn't really have a problem with it. But I got this kit because I was like, no way. Have beard products jump the shark. I know I really didn't do a full breakdown on everything and get into this is what you use this for, that's what you use it. Look, you're seeing the kit. You're not learning about why you use what's in the kit. But, here's a fun part of the video for me. All right, it really truly is. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. I think I got more than what I paid for it out of it because, I got a smaller brush. I got some really, really cool wash co-wash. And, well, what can I say? I got a shavette that probably one of these days I'm going to open a vein, by mistake on. And y'all are going to laugh at me when I'm showing up with another video, bandage up one side of my head going, hi, this is the dangers of using a shavette. But, that's just my luck, right? Guys, I want to know, have you used like Viking Revolution stuff before? I truly think it's a great starter company when you get on your journey. That's just me. I know some people are probably going to go, oh my God, that's the greatest thing ever. You're stupid. I will use nothing but Viking Revolution. You know what? That's cool. I just want to know your honest feedback on that. Okay, I really, truly do. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for coming along on this weird one. This is the strangest beard product stuff I've ever done because it's a kit that I sit and go, why did I buy it? Oh yeah, it was probably a lot of adult beverages that night. And I went, okay, but just me. Like I said, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this weird one. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, especially with the world being quarantined right now. I know a lot of people are viewing a lot of videos, so I figured why not? Let's just toss a strange one out there. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, the only question I have is why? Why not? Why not give me a chance, right? And for those of you who haven't subscribed, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Tell me why not. Tell me what you think I can do to earn your subscription. Just don't give me what people are going, I don't like your voice. Well, there's nothing I can do. I've had it for about, a half century now. Yes, I'm pushing 50, so... But still, after you guys have done that, go ahead and take a look in that corner right there. You should be seeing a big symbol popping up. Go click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, go ahead and click on that little notification icon. Kind of looks like a bell. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to pull from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. I mean, honestly, do you think beard products have gone too mainstream or even jumped shark? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.